So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a small program how to print hello world in Java using Eclipse IDE. If you don't know how to download Eclipse IDE, you can watch my earlier video and I will give the link in the I button. You can access that video from there. So just open your IDE after downloading and you can see here package explorer. Just right click here and you go to new and Java project. Click on Java project, then name your project. I'm giving as YouTube videos. It is my package name. You can see here. Don't create here. You can see a folder has been created here where you can write your Java codes. Just right click in this folder, go to new and click on class. You have to give your class name. I am giving as hello world. Hello world. Okay, hello world. Let's say I am giving hello world 1. Okay, hello world 1. Then go to finish. Let me let it. Yeah, so here you can see this, your class has been created. Just write the main method, that is public static void main string args. Okay, then open curly bracket and close curly bracket, then write system dot out dot print, and in this between the brackets you can write your message, that is hello world. Just Control S to save this program. Right click and go to run as Java application. Here you can see we got our output. So I hope you all guys can execute this program without any error. So give a thumbs up if you have executed this program without any error, and let's meet in our next video. Thank you for watching.